Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about the chapter Microbes in Human Welfare. And this chapter is in class 12th CBSE syllabus. And in this video, we'll focus on part 1, which is like a general introduction to the chapter. And generally there are like a couple of questions, like 1 or 2 questions from this chapter in the NIT examination. And as we progress through different parts of the chapter, we are going to discuss all the possible questions. Okay. So microbes. Microbes, also known as microorganisms, For example, protozoa, bacteria, fungi, plant viruses, viroid and prisons, And some of you might have heard about these microorganisms here and there, So microbes, also called as microorganism, can be observed under microscopes, So the word micro is basically very small, So microbes, also known as microorganisms, can be observed under microscope. And as micro means very small, so microbe is a minute life form which have a size of less than 0.1 millimeter, They are very small, You cannot see them with the naked eye. So you definitely need to see them under the microscope. That will magnify the size and you can then see it. So microbe is a minute life form which has a size of less than 0.1 millimeter. Microbes are present everywhere, everywhere. They are in soil, in water, in air, inside our body, So generally, we all think that microbes are bad, but no, they are also there inside the body, performing various functions. So they are inside our bodies and that of other animals as well as plants. So they are present everywhere. They are present even at sites, where no other life form could possibly exist, So possibly no other life form can exist. For example, deep in the soil, under the layers of snow several meters thick and in highly acidic environment, So we human beings cannot definitely survive, in layers of snow several meters thick. It will be so cold that we cannot survive there. Deep in the soil in highly acidic environment, all these microorganisms, some of these can survive in extreme conditions. Okay, so microbes can be grown on culture nutritive media, a media that is nutritive, it has nutrition and it is like in a culture to form colonies which are used for mass production of certain desirable products. So what does this mean? Let's say, somehow you have like a few bacteria here and there, and if you grow them in culture nutritive media, you culture them, there will be multiple, like millions of them. They will grow exponentially, very fast they will grow, and then they will form what is known as colonies, There will be colonies of these microorganisms, and then these are used for mass production of certain desirable products. And which desirable products we are going to see in the subsequent parts of this chapter. It is also used in scientific study of metabolism, genetics and structure of microorganisms, So you can really study the metabolism, genetics and structure of these microorganisms. So during their metabolism, when they metabolize, microbes produce chemicals, some of which have been used by human beings since ages. We human beings are very intelligent, So these microbes, they produce certain chemicals which have been used by us since ages. So, again, not all microbes are bad, Some of them are very good also. And therefore, they are ideal for biotechnology, for engineering various things, etc. For commercially producing various things, and we'll subsequently see all these things. The important contribution of microbes to human welfare, to humans and their well-being. So microbes are used in household products, like in various household products they are used. For example, formation of certain products that we consume on daily basis. They can be used in industrial products, to enhance the production of certain products. Then it is used in sewage treatment, which is also again helping the humans, in human welfare. They can be also used in production of biogas. and they can be used as biocontrol agents as well as biofertilizers. So these are the 6 important uses of the microbes. So microbes are not always bad. They are used and have contributions, in human welfare. And now in each part we will focus on one of these important contribution of microbes, in household, industrial, sewage treatment, production of biogas, biocontrol agents and biofertilizers, which we will see in subsequent parts in much more detail. Thank you for watching the video.